Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a poll on Facebook. Now guys, doing this is very easy to do, and as we know, a poll can help you get some opinion from your friends or from your followers on your Facebook page or on your Facebook group. Now guys, but unfortunately right now you can create a poll on your Facebook account. You can only do that on your Facebook group. So I'm going to be showing you how to easily do this on your Facebook group right now. So just go ahead and open up your Facebook group, and then if you do that, you're going to have to create a post. So just click on this create a public post button, and once you click on that, you're going to have to click on this three little dot, and after that you're going to find this option that says poll. Go ahead and click on that, and now you can now be able to create a poll from here. So just go ahead and type the question that you want to ask your audience. So I'm just going to ask, do you like me? I'm going to keep it simple and short. So guys, after that, then now you're going to have to add an option that they're going to choose from. So the first option could be yes, and then the second option could be no, or the top option can be none of the above. So you just know what you have to put there. So after that, you can now click on this post button, and then your post will be your poll will be created on your Facebook group. So I'm just going to click on this right now. So let me scroll down. All right, I didn't even notice the spelling was not correct. Do you like me? But I've made this post before on my paid group. So you see, do you like me? And once someone select any of this option, you're going to have a vote just beside your poll. So right here you see I have one voter, which is actually me. So it's added just beside the options. So this is how to create a poll on your Facebook group. I hope this video was helpful. If it was in any way, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos, and equally give this video a like if it was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.